taking the old starter apart in order to get to this cable. It's I think a ½ inch, but I can't get a good wrench on it. But look at all the carbon. So it's no wonder that this starter didn't work properly. That is some pretty nasty brushes. I can only imagine the commutator. It's all full of carbon. Doesn't make it easy to start, that's for sure. Kind of difficult to attach the starter one person, so I used the paddle to pry underneath the starter, holding it up so I could thread the screw with the nut with one hand and hold the paddle with the other hand, and it worked okay. Making progress. Cable nut attached to the starter solenoid. Now I just have the nut to the bracket underneath the starter, and then attach it to the battery, and that's where you go. All the nuts and cables are attached, hooked to battery, ready to start. Getting ready to start the engine. Here goes. Started right up. Now I'm going to take it for a spin.